Hey everybody, it's Bobby here today, and today we are going to make a beautiful chef salad. This is one of my favorite things. I love salads of all kinds, but add a little protein to it, some olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, and boiled eggs, and boy, do you have a really nice salad. The only way to make it better is to make your own dressing, which we're going to do, and also, hey Lulu, and homemade croutons. Lulu, hey Lou. Hey baby, how are you? Mama's a little Habanese is at my feet. She's so cute. And I feel bad because she wants me to pet her, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna pet, oh yeah, you're standing up. Hey, Lou. All right, and some homemade croutons as well. So for the homemade croutons, it's olive oil and salt and pepper. You could drizzle your bread with the olive oil if you'd like to, but I like to be a little bit more thorough and get it fully coated. So what I'm going to do is a little olive oil in my bowl here, and add the, you know what? No, I think I'll sprinkle it with the salt and pepper after I've coated them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop my chunks of bread down in there, and we'll just toss them in that olive oil and make sure that all of our bread gets a little bit of oil on it. Uh-oh. That was fast. Yeah. This is a little bit more thorough. A drizzle, I might not get enough olive oil on them, but this way everything will be touched by that olive oil. Homemade croutons are they're a game changer for a salad. It takes a salad from ho-hum to like, wow, this is really, really great. It can be a big difference maker. Wonderful, okay. Croutons are coated. Now onto our baking sheet. We're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for just a few minutes, and we'll keep an eye on them and make sure that we don't overcook them. Hey Lulu, I see you. I see you. Nothing like a dog, you know? It just brings so much joy. I feel bad when I can't pet one when they're asking for attention. So some salt. A little pepper. And let's pop them in the oven for a few minutes, and then we'll come right back. Okay, so now for our dressing. Really simple. Olive oil, a little Dijon, a little garlic and salt and pepper, and red wine vinegar. So we're gonna use 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Three tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Tablespoon of Dijon. Uh-oh. A little garlic, fresh garlic minced. A little salt and pepper. So this with the homemade croutons is really gonna heighten your salad. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Beautiful, I love the color. Really easy to make your own dressings at home, and like I said, it just really makes salads a lot better than getting it out of a jar. Or and you can put this in the refrigerator, it'll keep for you. I always think of my Aunt Peggy whenever I make homemade vinaigrettes or salad dressings, because she used to make them so well. I used to love them, and I remember going over to her house and seeing them in the bottles up on the counter. I always think Aunt Peggy. Our croutons look great. They were in the oven for about 10 minutes. Coated them with olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and gosh, they smell just wonderful. I've already started to cut some romaine lettuce, We've got some beautiful, really fresh romaine lettuce here. It's clean and just looks really vibrant and nice, which is important for a good salad. You don't want your salad, you don't want your lettuce to look dead and tired. And there's a preference for everything. Some people believe in just ripping the lettuce and using your hands to just rip the lettuce up like that. And then other people, me included, sometimes like the ease and convenience of just a good knife. So got a little bit of both going here. I've ripped up some with my hands and I've cut some with my knife, and it just looks beautiful. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a couple of croutons in there and just toss them around and make sure there's some buried in there, because I like there's a little treasure inside my salad. Because with a chef, we're gonna put everything on top so you can see it all. But we wanna make sure that we've got some croutons nestled and hidden in there. I'm also going to go ahead and just put a little bit of my dressing on it. Not all of it, just some. Just to do what we did with the croutons and sort of coat it and make sure there's a little bit of dressing sort of everywhere. That's a beautiful, beautiful bowl. And it's loud. It's loud when I scrape it with the tongs, and it's loud when it hits the countertop, but it's beautiful. I love that color. Looks great. So there we go. Now we've got our ham. Give our ham its spot. Give our turkey its spot also. These are classic ingredients for a chef salad. Lots of people would like onions on here. Could be great. Avocado always has a place on a chef salad to me. Let's go ahead and use all of our ingredients here. This is gonna, I promise this will get eaten. Beautiful cucumbers. My favorite, gosh, olives. I could eat olives until the cows come home. I'm using all the olives. I like them green, I like them black, I like just any kind of olive, just give it to me. And of course, some hard-boiled eggs. Let's see. There are different ways to do these, but I'm gonna go ahead and slice them into rings. Beautiful. I've got one more. Gonna use it all. That happens sometimes. Beautiful, beautiful, hearty, wonderful salad. That looks really, really nice. Got just a few cucumbers left, and I'll go ahead and add them right over here on this side. Nothing wrong with a double dose of cucumbers. Man, I don't think that's really missing anything. Maybe a few of these beautiful croutons right on top. Gosh, that is a hearty, lovely looking salad, just mouth-watering. Really, really pretty. Really nice, so easy. You know, I mean, I like to eat real food. I like to serve my family real food. I like to know what's in my food. I like simple ingredients, and I like a good salad. And this one looks really, really nice. Great. There you have it, a chopped chef salad, my way.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.